That will not help. You must act in such a way that if people accept you as superior. मिस्टेक है ना, किसी को सुपीरियर पोस्ट मिल गया, बस हम सुपीरियर, नॉट ए पेड सर्वेंट. Bring Bhagavan at your control. You can bring him at your control by love. Just like Jasodamai is showing the stick. Krishna, if you do like this, then I'll chastise you. And he's crying. That is prem. Prema Pumartha Mahan. That is the highest achievement. To achieve the love of God. And if you love God, then you achieve love of everyone. तबीयत ठीक है तो?
I like you calling me. What is that? What you are doing?
तो हम लोग सभी हैं. भगवान के सामने सभी मूढ़ा है. Mahaprabhu has taught us that to remain a fool and rascal before spiritual master is the highest qualification of the disciple. Always remain a fool and rascal.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached after
Guru mare murhat, Guru mare murkha dekhi, korila shasan. My Guru Maharaj has chastised me, considering me a fool number one. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru mare murkha dekhi. My Guru Maharaj saw me a first class murkha, fool, and therefore he has chastised me. That is the standard of Guru and Shishya. A Guru, and Chanakya Pandit says, Lalane bahavo dosha. If you pet, there are so many bad things. Lalane bahavo dosha.
Pet the dog, it will lick your face.
Tarane bahavo guna. And if you chastise, there are so many good qualities. Tasma putrancha sisyancha tarayat natulala. Therefore, either son or disciple, you must always chastise. Not patting. Oh, you are very good boy. Hey, you are nothing. You are doing nothing. That is the business of the Guru. To find out fault.
Don't spare the rod.
Although there is no fault, the Guru's business is to, where is his fault? That is Guru. Tasmat tarayat natulalayat.
Yesterday you had a very big congregation here, all the chairs are kept out.
Yes, people are coming, therefore we have given not very big congregation, but many people can.
You are doing the fourth adhyay.
Huh?
You are doing the fourth adhyay further.
Fourth adhyay, yes. Bahuni me batitani janmani tabucharya. जो कुत्ता को राजा बना दिया जाए तो भी जूता चाटेगा. Swajodi kriyate he has become low caste.
Yes. Not only that, but this what is this lottery?
So, varna, there are symptoms. Jodi annatra vidiseta tattenaiva vinidise. If you find those lakshana, symptoms, even in other place, suppose if you find the symptoms of Chandala in the family of a Brahmin, he is a Chandala, he is not Brahmin.
But he is a born Chandal and also wants to be a king. He can't be.
But that he because we are rather, we are also Chandal. Therefore we selected Chandal as president.
You get selected.
Yeah.
You are responsible. You are right.
हम तो मतलब तो any intelligent man will say like that. I said when they have fought so much for Hindi language, I said that why not Sanskrit?
If you make Sanskrit a compulsory language, court language, I mean,
Hare
the effort that you have put up too much.
Both you and me, we have changed so many times, taken birth, but you have forgotten. I have not forgotten. Why this difference?
Because God has got the same body throughout in all the avatars. While you change your body, Ichha Dvesha Samuthena Dvanda Mohena Bharata. By that time,
If God does not change his body, why this rascal consider Krishna as human being?
who considers?
Murad?
I am a mood. My community.
Mudha. Manasim Tanuvas. You are not Mudha, but if you think Krishna,
You sometimes try to call me very intelligent, another time you call me a dud. Now who am I? I forget myself.
Mavjananti Mang Mudha. These
Manusham Tanumatsrita.
those so-called big leaders, big philosophers and big scholars, they have accepted Krishna as ordinary human being or there was no Krishna. Just see how much Mudha they are.
Now, there is a section of scholars who think that Krishna was not a personality any time, but it is a legend. But others say that even if it is a legend, it is worth following and worshipping.
No, both of them are Mudhas.
There are three, four types of
Both
people.
of them are Mudhas. Because one who thinks that it is not a fact and one who thinks that even it is not fact. Both of them do not know actually.
Vyaktam Vyaktim Apam.
Mannate ma abudha. That is the position. God is Nirakar. Now he has assumed a form accepting Maya. This is Mayavad philosophy.
But difference between God and us is that God has control over the Maya, while we are controlled by the Maya, the Jivas.
But they do not know what is Maya.
Then if they know Maya, then you call them Mayavadi and
Mayavadi is
call
different.
rascals.
Mayavadi is
And
different.
these men also.
Mayavadi is different. But those who are completely ignorant, that is another thing. That is another thing. Mayavadis, they pose themselves as knowing everything.
But I tell you, Shankaracharya was not that Mayavadi which you call Mayavadi. He was
I am not talking of Shankaracharya.
Shankaracharya's philosophy has been misunderstood, and those are the people who real Mayavadis. Shankaracharya was, I mean,
जो मायावादी होते हैं ना उनसे हम लोग बहुत बिगड़ते हैं. There is no mercy. If you say no, I shall rub off with your belly and it will be cured. Is that the means? It must go on. Operation, surgical operation. That is treatment. If you become kind, no, it is very difficult. I will give him something, it will cure. That is not treatment. जैसा रोग वैसा दवाई. तानहं दिशत क्रूरान क्षिपामि अजस्रं. No mercy. You surrender. Otherwise, if you are envious, then I am sending you to the darkest region of ignorance. Kejriwala, after evacuating,
Well, I thought that everyone knew. We follow that.
they wash their hands 7 times with soap and water.
They may not be
but
If one man does
Why
not
they
do it,
not-
the
do
bathroom
not
gets
learn?
infected and all others get infection. No, diarrhea, bad stomach, they may get vomiting also tomorrow. One man vomited also.
keeping dogs, is that hygienic?
Dog,
Yes.
unhygienic. They make dogs sleep in their bed.
Let's see.
Sahib log, on their laps and all that thing. And what not.
And mindless.
That we will
Chanting Hare Krishna mantra,
That is the best medicine.
that is the
But
best
sometimes
medicine.
augmentary medicine also is necessary.
Jasmari Pundari Kakhang Sa Baiha Abhantaram Suchi. Either take this medical or chant 24 hours Hare Krishna.
And don't eat.
Huh?
I chastise them by asking them to starve for one day. So they
Bath in the ocean.
No, drinking water.
Oh.
the drinking water also should be strained
That
to
is the most important part.
two Muslim cloths. That is the code of conduct. I told you that.
Oil and keep it, it is all. No service. Hare Krishna.
I have, you see, I have seen in England in my training days in College of Tropical Medicine and our hospital.
Yeah, for all diseases. Bhavaushadhi chot nidvittatar rupagiyaman.
I was told you are going away on 6th.
Huh?
You are going from
Rent tax about, suppose the father is tenant,
rent tax is a big question. Rent tax.
if the father is tenant,
Rent tax, what is it?
in the rent tax, suppose the father is tenant
Ah.
and the father dies,
Ah.
then the
Son
son
gets
will,
it.
huh?
Son gets it.
Gets it.
There is no hiatus between the father and the son.
Huh?
There is no hiatus.
Brother can
Live in the water and to fight with the crocodile. It is not very good position.
Yes.
So there are crocodiles. How long you'll fight with them? Like chant Hare Krishna. We have no difficulty in chanting and worship.
Yes.
Let us put this way.
We are Mura and they are big Mura. That's all.
That's right. Vanubhai kya gaya?
Yeah.
Not only spiritually, he was a social revolutionary, spiritual revolutionary,
Both. But
economic
it was a
revolutionary and whatnot.
combined revolution.
See, there is no revolution. Because
That is evolution.
that is one. Everyone is in agreement with God. That is spiritual world. Therefore, there is no question of
If
revolution.
everyone was in agreement with God, that there would not have been all sorts of quarrel and maramari and America and
Everyone is not. That is the difference. Everyone is not
the
in.
world actually is divided into two camps. Have that
We do not know how these things come in and how to amend it or to reform it. Countries are not happy.
they are not happy because the communism is not in the right. Communism is charkam.
Even others, they are also on the same background.
No, certain basic amenities are necessary. That is has been provided in the Hindu religion. What you have to we have to remind them this was your philosophy, and there is a type of
You
society.
first of all
to
follow. You first of all follow, then you teach them.
Arey Baba, हाँ,
Follow, how can I teach them?
we are following up. We have been taught the European way. We are following their method.
Therefore
we
you are
will
not
come-
following.
So we will come to the communism again.
Prabhu said, Apani achari Prabhu jivere shikha.
That's right.
You must first of all behave yourself, then you can teach.
That is, I cite an example of Gandhiji.
One is Krishna conscious. He cannot have any good quality. And if one becomes Krishna conscious, all the good qualities will automatically come to him. So therefore, this is the only treatment to educate people how to become Krishna conscious. Then everything will be settled. One remedy
For all issues.
for all disease. That is also Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Mancha Bhavicari Bhakti Yogita Jasevata. bhakti, sagunan samatitayita. These varieties of different qualities due to these material modes of nature. But if you transcend, just like if you remain in the water, there are so many symptoms of danger. You come out of the water, there is no danger. You cannot expect, even if you have got the best boat, you cannot expect that you are safe in the water. But if you remain 1 inch above the water, then there is no danger. So this devotional service is like that. Sagunan samatitayitan brahma bhuyakam. As soon one is fully engaged in devotional service, then he is above this material atmosphere.